Hi! In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Finally, just click on Text Correction, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!